Hello, in front of me I have IMILAB W01 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the settings icon right here. Tap on it to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called bright screen and select it. And here we can select the timeout duration by swiping up and down on the screen. It's a bit goofy, but once you select the duration you like, for example, let's select 5 seconds, like this, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and now my screen should turn off automatically after 5 seconds of inactivity. So let's wait 5 seconds, like this, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.